Okay, welcome into another lesson. So today I'm going to do a lesson on something called the BlushDa. I'm not going to break the BlushDa down very much. There's plenty of lessons on YouTube for that, so if you want to go online and learn the BlushDa first, that's all cool. The basics of it are real simple though, right? There's 3 notes in this rudiment, the BlushDa. First note, left-handed flam. So we're doing this. Second note, right-handed diddle, or drag, or double, whatever you want to think of. Alright, so we've got flam followed by double. And the final thing is a left-handed tap. So we do flam, double, tap. Flam, double, tap. That's it, right? Real simple rudiment. Now for today I'm going to put a bass drum when I do the flam, the left-handed flam at the start. I'm going to put a bass drum with that. So we get this. And as you can see, I'm putting the grace note of the flam, the quiet note, the first note, over on the ride cymbal here. And just to add a little bit more power, I'm rim shotting the left hands on the snare drum. So that's the basic BlushDa, right? Now, what I'm going to do with those is I'm going to place those into a 16th note pattern. So I play 5 of them plus an extra note, which gets me back to the 1. So rather than explaining that today, I'm just going to quickly play that for you. Now, what we're at today, though, is we're looking at advancing this rudiment and making some new rudiments up. So step 1 is we're going to make something called a double BlushDa. All we do then is we play 2 flams instead of 1. Flam, flam, right, right, left. So flam, flam, right, right, left. Flam, flam, right, right, left. I'll do the same thing. I'll make the ride cymbal. This time I get 2 bass drums because I get 2 flams. And then I may expand it to do triple BlushDas, 3 flams. 1, 2, 3, double left. 1, 2, 3, double left. And that'll sound like this. And again, I'm going to put those into 16th notes. Now 5s don't fit into 16 very well. 3s don't fit into 16ths very well. The 4s are great. So if we start off with the 4s, so we start off with double BlushDas. We're going to do, I'll try and play this quiet so this microphone doesn't deafen you. We're going to play, we're going to do 2 of them. That's going to be 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. Right, or more simply than that, just play it 4 times and that'll fit into a bar. So I'll play a bar of 8th note, an 8th note groove, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Third one, 4th one, and back out, something like this. Now the 5s, this one's going to be a little bit more difficult because we're going to get 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 and out. So it comes out straight after one of the flams. So we do, if you think of these as 3 flams in a row, 1, 2, 3, well we just do 1 flam and then come out. It's easier for me to play this full out. So here we go. Okay, so that's the 2 new rudiments. So we've got single BlushDa, 2s, double BlushDa, and 3 is the triple BlushDa. Now all 3 of the rudiments are quite easy to learn, so mastering those is step 1. Get yourself on your practice pad or on your snare drum and master those. The hardest part is putting it into the context, so figuring out where the 16th notes are. Now I find it easier to write this out so I can see where the 16th notes are, so I'll put that on here somewhere for you to see during the lesson. So go back and pause those so you can kind of see them. But if you can't read music, the thing to do is just literally count 16 notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 16, and on the 17th note it's going to be where you come back out. Now ideally on drums we don't count to 16, we count 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and then when we say 1 again, that's the out. Now the next step for this, there's 2 other ways of advancing this. Okay, I might follow this up with another lesson to show you this more in depth. But the first way of advancing this is to start to mess around with using singles, doubles, and 3s. First of all, probably planning it out, but then more randomly. So this kind of thing. Now again, the issue is knowing where the 1 is. Now to practice this, I would either just put a metronome on and just try, keep aiming for that 1, or again I would write it out and I'd figure out exactly what fits where. It also works really well if you play a bar of groove first and then a fill, bar of groove and fill, so something like that.